This SYF-16 wipes production line was installed in South Korea. It's also one of the most advanced wipes making machine we have. This cutting-edge equipment has revolutionized our production process, allowing us to create high-quality wet wipes with unmatched efficiency and precision. In this video, we take you behind the scenes of our factory to showcase the incredible capabilities of our wet wipes making machine. Witness firsthand how it seamlessly transforms raw materials into finished products, delivering exceptional hygiene solutions to meet the needs of our customers. From the unwinding of non-woven fabric rolls to the precise folding, cutting, moistening, packing and lid applicator processes, our machine showcases state-of-the-art technology and automation, ensuring consistent and top-notch results. At this factory, we are proud to invest in cutting-edge machinery like this SYF-16 series wet wipes machine to provide our customers with the best possible products. We are excited to share this behind-the-scenes look with you and hope you enjoy this glimpse into the world of wet wipes manufacturing. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more fascinating content on hygiene, innovation, and the latest advancements in the industry.